Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. When you buy a Japanese imported vehicle, check if head unit is locked and requires password. You would only discover it is locked after 12-volt battery was disconnected. Second-hand car dealer would not necessarily have the password set up by the previous owner. To unlock this Alpine head unit, it had to be fully dismantled and the password was electronically extracted using specialized tools from the chip on board. After the password was extracted and known, the unit became fully operational. The audio quality of that original head unit is much higher than some cheap aftermarket head units you may find on the market. A new owner of this vehicle wanted to keep it, and now they can. Thank you for watching.